Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best GE dishwasher on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best GE dishwasher. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. One of the leading appliance manufacturers in America today, GE continues to build on a reputation for excellence and innovation that began more than a century ago. It's a brand known for the reliability and craftsmanship of its appliances, so a GE dishwasher is a smart choice for households that spend a lot of time in the kitchen. GE manufactures dependable and hard-wearing dishwashers made to withstand heavy-handed use. The brand sells a wide range of dishwashers, so we've narrowed down the top GE models based on design, performance, and price. Read on for the best GE dishwashers to get everything from tableware to pots and pans gleaming clean. Number 5. GDF 510 PGM GE Dishwasher. Coming with a tall tub design and an adjustable upper rack, the GE GDF 510 PGM fits up to 14 place settings. With the Piranha hard food dispenser and removable filter, you can completely forget pre-rinsing and pre-scrubbing. The dishwasher is also easy to install thanks to the ability to adjust the dishwasher height to 33-3/8, 34-5/8, using the leveling legs. Side and top mount brackets are included, so you can get that flush cabinet look you want. Furthermore, the GE GDF 510 PGM dishwasher features front tactile controls with intuitive LED lights and an easy-to-read display. Even without consulting the manual, configuring the right settings is seamless. Plus you have smart assistant connection options, which makes things even easier. Pros: has a rinse aid indicator with adjustment settings. Features dual pumps and motors for increased washing efficiency. 4 leveling legs for enhanced height and angle adjustment. Smart capabilities through Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT. Cons: the door feels like it can dent easily from slight hits. You might accidentally pull off the bottom rack if you pull it out too much. Verdict: the GE GDF 510 PGM dishwasher with front controls is a reliable unit that you can get for less than $500. With several smart features and some excellent washing and drying options, you'd be hard-pressed not to like using this affordable dishwasher. Number 4. GE GSD 2100 VWW Dishwasher. If you want a relatively basic dishwasher within the price range of a countertop, the GE GSD 2100 VWW is the right choice. Featuring a hot start option, this dishwasher provides the right water temperature right from the beginning of the cycle. This means that hard food deposits get removed early on. The feature is further enhanced by the reliable Piranha hard food dispenser, which comes with a powerful blade that breaks down food chunks into disposable particles. Furthermore, the GE GSD 2100 VWW built-in dishwasher comes with a 2-stage filtration system that gets rid of pollutants effectively. Pros: 2-stage filtration system with extra fine filter. Removable upper rack to make room for extra long utensils, pots, and pans. 4 leveling legs for enhanced height and angle adjustment. Wash cycle progress indicator dial tells you how long until it's done. Cons: the door doesn't open quite enough, so the bottom tray keeps sliding back. No single prongs on the top tray for holding measuring cups with hole in them. Verdict: the GE GSD 2100 VWW built-in 24-inch dishwasher is an affordable option for people who want to focus on cleanliness. While it might not have the advanced features of other models, it's the best GE dishwasher in this price range. And it helps you save money by consuming less water and electricity. Number 3. GE GDT 695 SSJSS Dishwasher. This is one relatively high-end dishwasher that somehow lacks smart features but has all the other bells and whistles. The GE GDT695SSJSS stainless steel interior dishwasher has a few nice additions such as bottle jets, a touch-adjustable upper rack, and wash zones for cleaning dishes only on the top or bottom rack. As for convenience, know that the racks fully extend on ball bearings to ensure that you can place dishes inside comfortably. Additionally, the GE GDT695SSJSS dishwasher also has a third rack and a 3-piece silverware basket, so washing utensils is seamless. Pros: it's very quiet even when running a cycle at full speed. Additional third rack makes cleaning silverware and flatware seamless. Cleans hard-to-reach areas inside tall items with up to 4 dedicated bottle jets. Wash a true half load in either the upper or lower rack without sacrificing cycles. Cons: it's difficult to install even when reading through the instructions. The heated drying cycle takes too long yet still doesn't completely dry all dishes. Verdict: the GE stainless steel interior dishwasher with hidden controls is a candidate for the best dishwasher from this brand. The only reason we didn't rank it higher than this is because of the high price and lack of smart features or internet connectivity. Number 2. GE GDP645SYNFS GE Dishwasher. One of the most affordable quiet dishwashers from General Electric is the GE GDP645SYNFS dishwasher with hidden controls. Speaking of hidden controls, they are touch-sensitive and easy to press. Because they're not on the front, but rather hidden on top of the door, it acts as a child safety system. No accidental presses whatsoever. Furthermore, the GE GDP645SYNFS dishwasher has a stainless steel interior tub that protects your dishes from mold in the dishwasher from rust buildup. Even so, some users recommended getting a detergent for hard water because limescale builds up quite fast. Pros: gets hard to dry items up to 3 times drier than heated dry cycles. The Energy Star rating ensures that it will save you on water and electricity bills. You can fit plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter thanks to the highly adjustable upper rack. Fingerprint-resistant finish ensures that the dishwasher door will look nicely for years to come. Cons: the lights that alert you when it's done cleaning don't stay on for long. The build quality isn't all that great, as you can dent the door quite easily. Verdict: the GE GDP645SYNFS dishwasher runs quietly, at just 48 decibels, so it won't disturb you when watching movies or listening to music. Coming at a relatively affordable price, it's worth the money considering it features most of General Electric's patented dishwashing technologies. Number 1. GE GSD2100 VBB GE Dishwasher. One of the best basic General Electric dishwashers with intuitive controls is the GE GSD2100 VBB. It's a bit on the noisy side, but it helps you save money in the long run, and it washes dishes efficiently. We like the fact that it dries dishes much better than other more expensive models. Also, the GE GSD2100 VBB makes good use of the Piranha hard food disposer in the hot start option to eliminate the need for pre-rinsing and pre-scrubbing. Pros: it's a great and cheap dishwasher for 2, 3, or 4 people. Straightforward controls that you can figure out on your own without the manual. Short wash option is perfect for washing dishes that aren't too dirty. 5 cycles with 2 options allow you to customize the load how you want. Cons: you have to put some effort to make dishes stand evenly. It's a bit on the noisy side, comparable to far older dishwashers. Verdict: the GE GSD2100 VBB 24-inch built-in dishwasher is a basic and affordable GE dishwasher. It's not the most impressive model on this list by far, but for people who only need the basic functionality of a dishwasher, it will suffice.